Hello everyone, hello guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in for today's video again. Hope you are doing good, hope you are doing great. I got a lot of requests on how to take down the previous hairstyle I just uploaded. If you haven't seen that, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below so that you go and check it out. So yeah, this is the hair or the sewing hairstyle after 2 weeks or 3 weeks of installation, and she actually complained of the stocking cap. She said the stocking cap actually pulled off after 2 weeks of installation to compare to the bandage, which made the whole idea of styling the hair into a ponytail go wrong. She could not style it into a ponytail after a week of installation. She said it could take the bandage about 3 to a month for it to pull off from her scalp, meaning that she prefers the bandage to the stocking cap method. So to take down the hairstyle, we're using this hairspray and it's called Above Hairspray. It's just a regular hairspray, so just going to spray it around the parameters of our hair. So you can use any hairspray of your choice, you can use any product of your choice, you can use either oil, hair cream or even hairspray. Anything that contains oil that will be able to pull off the hair you can use. You can even use conditioner to actually do this. So we're just spraying it just exactly where we actually place or apply the bonding glue. So why we actually use hairspray, it's because it's easier to work with. Like as you can see, just spray it around the parameters of our hair, just exactly where we apply the bonding glue, and then while it's actually dissolving the bonding glue, we'll go ahead to start using razor to cut off the threads we use to sew the hair. Already you guys know the main reason why we use either a bandage or a stocking cap, which is like a barrier between the bonding glue and the natural hair. So taking off the sew-in, you will just notice that the glue wasn't really able to get into the natural hair. It just stopped at either the bandage or the stocking cap. So after spraying the hair with the hairspray, we just allow it to dissolve the glue, and while waiting for the glue to dissolve, you just use a razor or a scissors to like take off the thread you used in sewing in the weaves. So doing this part or doing this section, you have to be very careful and slow, gentle, so that you don't get to either injure yourself or cut off the person's hair. But if it's your first time, I advise you to use a scissors. It will be much easier, and while doing this, make sure you're only taking down the sewing threads. The method of taking down the sewing is actually optional. You can do section by section, but for her, she's already used to it. That's why she's taking down all the sewing at once. If you notice the glue didn't pull off her hair, she didn't get to lose her edges, please you can check the installation, that's the previous video, so that you can be able to compare her edges before and after and leave a comment below. Taking down only the sewing took about 45 minutes or more because she was really careful so that she don't get to cut off her hair. After taking down the sewing, we'll just go ahead to just start loosening the cornrow. As you can see, the cornrow is not really that old because she did not wear the hair for too long. In the previous video, I was able to explain why we sometimes use synthetic hair to film a sew-in without a closure, and if you haven't seen that video, we'll leave the link in the description box below. And I hope my explanation was able to pass a good message out there. I hope I wasn't misunderstood. Not like I'm saying that Nigerian women can't afford human hairs. I'm only saying that some, just few, let's say out of 100, let's say maybe 20% or 30% still can't afford human hairs. Because we still get to install a lot of closure and frontal waves in the salon. And again, I get lots of questions on where to get good human hair from clients. Moving on, after loosening all the cornrows, we'll just go ahead to comb the hair. Looking at her hair right now, you can't tell or find any glue on her natural hair. After loosening the cornrows and combing the hair, we'll just go ahead to wash the hair with shampoo and also deep conditioner her hair off camera. So now I'm just drying her hair and using hand dryers, also combing the hair at the same time so that it can dry faster. After doing this, after washing and drying her hair, we'll just go ahead to moisturize her hair with any moisturizer of your choice. Here in Nigeria, most people like to use shea butter, coconut oil, or even normal hair cream. It depends on your clients. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Hope you're able to learn one or two things from this video. Please leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't, on your notifications so that you don't get to miss any new video coming up. Like this video and share to friends and family. We'll talk to you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.